Let me get it. Who's that?
Jake.
No, that's you.
Yeah, that's me.
You're Jake.
Yeah, who is that?
That's Micah.
Who is that?
Luca.
Luca? Hi, Jake.
You're Jake.
And Luca's Cubby?
Yeah.
And what's her name?
Micah.
Micah's Izzy?
Mm-hmm.
And who did that chip? Is that the Jolly Roger?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it is the Jolly Roger. Mommy, I want that costume. Can you find it for me? Is it here?
It's not here.
Like, can you look for it?
For Halloween, you can be Jake.
I want to be Jake like that.
You do?
Yeah, look, guys, I want to be Cubby and then Izzy. I'm Jake.
Yeah.
Let's see if I'm Jake on your phone, maybe.
No, it's not on your phone.
Oh. Emma, can I watch that movie with me and Luca?
That's not a movie. It's just a picture.
What?
It's not a movie. It's just a picture.
It's just a picture. Mommy?